In today's video, we'll explore the stressful situation of facing a medical bill in collections that should have been covered by insurance. A common problem occurs when hospitals fail to bill correctly, and the debt is sent to collections, often illegally. This video will cover how insurance failures lead to medical debt, the challenges faced with collectors, the legal protections available to consumers, and an actionable plan to tackle such debt effectively. When insurance fails to cover medical expenses and debts accumulate, it raises significant issues, especially when secondary coverage like Medicaid is involved. The short answer is no. You should not send your insurance cards to debt collectors. Sending personal information such as insurance cards to a collection agency is risky and often ineffective. Debt collectors cannot file a claim with your insurer. Only the medical provider can do that. While collectors may insist they need proof, their primary focus is on validating the debt, not on getting it covered by insurance. Here is a quick quiz for you. Who is responsible for validating the debt before sending it for collection? Is it the consumer, the debt collector, the insurance company, or the medical provider? You can pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the correct answer in the next section. The correct answer is that the debt collector is responsible for validating the debt before attempting to collect it. They must provide proof of the validity of the debt to the consumer. One important point to understand is that the burden of proof for debt validation lies with the collector, not the consumer. In cases where billing errors have occurred, the debt itself may be void, and collectors are required to prove its legitimacy. To address this issue, you should first dispute the debt immediately. Do not pay or acknowledge the debt verbally, and send the collection agency a formal debt validation letter via certified mail to legally require them to prove the debt's legitimacy. Second, contact the original medical provider and your insurer to demand the debt be retrieved and resubmitted for insurance coverage, notifying them of any retroactive coverage like Medicaid. Lastly, protect your credit by monitoring for debt reporting and considering legal action if your rights are violated. Here's another quiz to consider. What should you do if your credit is affected by an invalid medical debt? Should you ignore the harm, pay off the debt quickly, seek legal action, or contact the hospital for more medical services? Pause the video and take a guess. You'll find the correct answer in the next segment. The best course of action, if your credit is affected by an invalid medical debt, is to seek legal action. Consumer protection laws are designed to protect you from the impact of illegitimate debts on your credit. Let's wrap up by summarizing the main points. Facing illegal medical billing practices can lead to unnecessary stress. Insurance inefficiencies often result in debt being sent to collections. Remember, you're protected by law. It is the collector's responsibility to validate the debt. Your strategic plan should involve disputing the debt, alerting insurers, and closely monitoring your credit. Thank you for tuning in. Stay informed and protected. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.